Now, this very strange structure here is called a domatia. And what this is a house for ants. And this plant has built this little structure, and it's sort of like a barracks for the ant army. And they live inside. And when herbivores arrive, the ant army comes out of the domatia and attacks the herbivores. And we can see, I think, if I get this, put this in the light, you can see these little holes. And that's where the ants live. And the plant can spend up to 20% of all its resources housing and feeding its army. And each plant has a relationship with a particular kind of ant species. And each kind of ant signals to its plant and vice versa. So this is a system where the ants and the plants talk to each other. Now, this system of defence takes a lot of resources. Ants are quite fussy. They like nice big houses, thank you very much, and they like lots of food. You've got to keep your army loyal by feeding it well. So, this is an expensive kind of defence, so it's got to work. And now, we're going to see this defence in action. We're going to see what happens when caterpillars and ants meet each other. Now, in here, we've got our resident ant army. Now, hopefully, you can see these guys running about. They're on patrol, and they're waiting for something to attack. And we've got some caterpillars. So I'm now going to see what happens when I put a caterpillar into the middle of this ant army. Now, what are the ants going to make of that? Oh, they're not very happy at this intruder. So they're going to come and bite our caterpillar. Oh, yes. Oh. Yep, they're on the attack. You can see that. Oh, dear. Yes, this is Colin Caterpillar, and I don't think he's enjoying that very much. Yes, the ants are busy trying to kill poor old Colin. And they're very, very aggressive, as you can see. Lots of them are surrounding the caterpillar, and poor old... Yes, should we rescue Colin? Oh, it's a bit hard, actually. The ants want to let go. Now, ants are very, very fierce. Don't worry, I think Colin will recover in the end. I'll go and rescue him properly in a moment. But ants are some of the fiercest predators, and they're very aggressive. And about a third of the trees in tropical countries are protected by ants. As I discovered when I took a party of students into the forest in Uganda a couple of summers ago, and we accidentally walked into trees protected by ants. And they poured out of the tree and attacked us. And the only thing we could do, because it was so painful and horrible, was run away as fast as we could. And then we discovered the ants were in our clothes. So we had to take all our clothes off, which wasn't a pretty sight on lots of levels. And we had to take all the ants off. And they were so aggressive, they wouldn't let go. So this is a very, very good defence. And the ants are an incredibly loyal army. They don't just kill herbivores like Colin and attack people like me. What they do is they kill other plants. So they make sure their own plant has all the best resources, and they kill all the plants surrounding their home.